Hello, I am here to introduce Peergrade as a new tech tool. Peergrade allows students to grade um, each other's work. I would choose to use this to benefit my students and myself. For myself, it would save me time on grading their assignments, and for my students, it would help them to be aware of what they can edit and what they can do to improve throughout the unit. So it's very easy to set up. You can start by clicking Create Class. I really like that you can create a new class, copy an old class, use your Google Classroom classes, or use your Clever Classrooms. So I'm going to just create a new class and title it Math 3. Then it'll bring you to assignments. It also has participants, class settings, and a summary. So in the assignment section, it's very easy to create an assignment. You just click Create Assignment. You can describe it as, I'm going to say blog entry 1. Use the review questions to peer grade your partners. So in the description, you can type whatever you want. You can add a picture or a video or a link. And then down here, you can upload the file or the assignment. Next, it brings you to the rubric, which is pretty cool. So the rubric has just 2 base questions, something your classmate did well and something they could improve at. You can also add any questions that you want. You can use a text question like the ones similar, a scale, so 1 to 10 scale, or a simple yes or no. From there, after you have all the questions you want them to answer, you would hit next, and it brings you to template. So you can choose a live session or a homework session. So they can either do it live in your classroom at that time, or you can assign it as homework, and then you can hit create. Oh, choose. So I'll choose homework. Then it'll bring you to an overview of that assignment. So it'll say when the submission opens, closes, feedback, and then it'll show your activity of your students and a grade distribution. I like that it shows your late submissions and your rubric as well. If you go back out just to your class, you can see your participants. You can invite them with this class code, which is really nice. Your class settings has your name and your summaries. And then the summary just has all your different classes. I think this would be really beneficial, like I said, to have students learn from each other and to alleviate some of the grading from me. I think this lines up with ISTE standards 1D, cultivate responsible online behavior, including safe and ethical and legal use of technology, because it requires your students to be appropriate and safe and ethical while they're grading each other's work, as well as 2E, share lessons learned, best practices, challenges, and impact of learning with technology with other ed leaders who want to learn. Because once you have all your peer reviews, you can share with your colleagues what this would look like.